Alright, so when you log into Rapid Identity, you are going to click right here on Add Your Friend, the smiley face with Add Your Friend. And this is how you access your online textbook. So what you'll do is you will go to My Class, and you will see that I have 4 assignments for you. So what you'll do today is get ready. Tomorrow we'll read the story. Thursday we'll check for understanding, and then Friday we will analyze the text, okay? So that's literally all you do. So I'm going to show you what the story is like. Okay, so here is the maybe. Okay, I'll do this one. Now, of course, yours does not look the same as mine. So you would just hit open to read. And the story will pop up. You're able to annotate. So you would read and annotate along with what you read. So I'm going to show you one more time how you access your book. Rapid Identity. You'll click right here on Add Your Friend. You'll automatically be logged in. And then for you, you just click on My Class. Your assignments will be here. And I'm going to change the order so you can see that way. And your assignments will be here. And you'll just click on each assignment for each day.